Okay,
Yes.
so we will do a revision. We will do a revision on acid, bases, and salts. Okay, okay. First, as we have already completed the chapter, we will not only do revision, we will go into a form which is known as revision and practice done togetherly. Okay, a revision and practice done togetherly. Okay, tell me. Okay, let us start. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Can you tell me what is an indicator? I'll ask this to Sharon. Sharon, what is an indicator? Sharon, what is an indicator?
Sir, this I can't.
This you can't. Okay.
Sir,
Shromana, can you?
I'll tell.
Okay, tell.
Indicator is a substance that gives different colors and which help us to understand the substance is acid or basic.
Yeah. So indicator is something which helps us to understand whether a substance, a chemical that has been given to us, whether it is an acid or it is an base. Is that clear? It helps us to identify whether
Yes,
it is
sir.
an acid or it is a base. Okay, now, so what is an indicator? An acid base indicator is a substance that gives different colors in acidic and basic medium like litmus, turmeric, china rose, red cabbage juice. Phenolphthalein is also there, it's not written here. Okay, okay. Can you tell me what is litmus? Can Sharono tell me what is litmus? Sharono, what is litmus?
L- litmus is means litmus is it is a thing. It is a material that obtained from lichens.
Lichens.
Huh.
Okay. Anything more? Anything
No, sir.
more? Okay. Sharonna Shromona, turn on your camera. Okay. See, litmus is obtained from lichens. Okay. What are lichens? Lichens are small plants. Is that clear? Now we have to prepare a dilute solution from that. And we have to soak a paper. That paper after drying will be litmus paper. Is that clear? Easy. Now what we do is that it turns red in acidic solution and it is neutral, that is it does not change color when the solution is neither acidic nor basic, or it turns blue in basic, it turns blue in basic solution. Is that clear? So we need to remember two things: blue in basic, red in acidic, neutral in neither acidic nor basic. Is that clear? So all of you repeat after me. All of you turn on your audio and repeat after me. Blue in basic.
Blue in basic,
Blue
Okay.
in basic,
Red in acidic.
red in acidic,
Neither acidic nor basic. It will be neutral.
neither acid nor basic, it will be
basic,
neutral.
Okay. Again repeat after me. For litmus, blue in basic,
Blue in
Blue
basic,
in basic,
red in acidic,
red in
in
acidic,
acidic,
neither acidic nor basic, neutral.
neither acidic nor basic,
nor basic,
neutral.
neutral.
Is that clear? Okay. All of you turn off your audio. So see, it is blue. So this one is a base, right? We have soaked it in this solution. This solution is a basic solution. That's why this one is blue. Is that clear? What is this color? This is red. Why? Because it is an acidic solution. Clear? Ekdam clear? Any doubt?
Sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is also an indicator like litmus. Phenolphthalein is an indicator. Okay. Now, see, it turns red or pink in basic solution, colorless in acidic or neutral media. See, there is a problem with phenolphthalein. It is not a good indicator, because it is colorless in both acidic and neutral media. So suppose I am given a solution of nitric acid. I cannot tell whether it is acidic or it is neutral like water. I cannot identify whether it is acid or it is water. Is that clear? So phenolphthalein is not a good indicator, but we have to learn that phenolphthalein turns red or pink in basic solution. Is the idea clear? Okay. All of you
Yes, sir.
turn on your mic and repeat after me. For phenolphthalein, red or pink in basic solution.
Red,
Red or
pink
pink
in
in
basic
basic
solution.
solution.
Okay. And colorless in acidic or neutral.
Colorless
Less
in
in acidic or
and
neutral.
Okay.
Sir, one day you given a graph about
Yes.
this
Yes, sir.
indicators.
Yes. Have you learned that graph?
Yes, sir. Sir, now I have the graph.
Okay. It will be easier for you to remember if you have that graph. Okay. Okay. Now, let us go into turmeric juice. The yellow turmeric juice turns reddish to deep brown in a basic medium and remains yellow in an acidic or neutral medium. So, it turns reddish or deep brown in basic medium and remains yellow. See, it does not change its color in acidic or neutral. This is same as phenolphthalein. Same as phenolphthalein. Shromana, where are you? I cannot see you. Shromana, you can rotate your mobile. Okay, if you rotate your mobile, you will be able to see it in a better way. And turn the auto rotate option on. See, you can swipe from the top and there will be a auto rotate option. Do you find that? Yes. Now can you see it in a better way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so what we see, so Sharon, no, see both of them, phenolphthalein and turmeric juice, both of them are not good indicators because both of them only detect bases. They cannot detect acidic or neutral media. So if you are asked who detect bases, see for litmus, you are in class 7, okay, WB class 7. See for litmus, what happens for litmus? Litmus can identify both of them. Litmus can identify an acid, litmus can identify a base. For acid it turns red, for basic it turns blue. Is that clear? But if you look at only basic indicator that is which indicates only bases, we have two things. One is phenolphthalein, another one is turmeric juice. What happens to phenolphthalein? What is the color of phenolphthalein in basic medium? I just told you what is the color of phenolphthalein in basic medium?
Red or pink?
Red or pink.
Red or pink. You forgot so fast. What is the color of turmeric in basic medium?
Sir, in
Sumana,
basic
turn on your audio.
medium.
In basic medium,
Reddish brown to deep brown.
reddish brown to deep brown. Right? That means it indicates the base only, it indicates the base. Can it indicate acid? No. In acidic, remains yellow only. In acidic, it also remains colorless. Is that clear? Can you see the
Yes,
screen
sir.
clearly, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good of you. Now, okay, so we can make a turmeric paper by just soaking in turmeric solution and drying it. We can make a turmeric paper. Okay, now China rose juice. See, China rose juice is also like litmus. It can indicate both acid and base. Okay, now what happens to China rose? See, turns green in basic medium, turns red in acidic solution. Okay, repeat after me. China rose juice, for China rose juice, repeat. Green in basic,
Green
repeat,
in
Basic.
basic,
and red in acidic.
red in
Red
acid.
in acidic.
Yes, green in
Sir, you
basic.
told that red cabbage juice is green in basic and red in acidic. Means in that graph it is written.
No, in acidic it is grey. Red cabbage juice sir has given in chart.
Red cabbage juice, then I have given it wrong. I have written it wrong, misplaced it. It may happen. Okay. Okay. See, red cabbage juice is actually purple in color. Okay. So it turns green in basic medium. China rose also, see, it turns green in basic medium. Is that clear, Shromona?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this turns red in acidic solution, red cabbage juice. See, this also turns red in acidic solution, right? Okay, let us look at litmus. Just wait. Let us look at litmus. What happens to litmus?
Litmus also turns.
It also turns
litmus
red in
also
acidic
turns
solution.
red.
Yes.
Yes.
So, for all the indicators, see, you can do a good thing, okay? You can do a good thing. Suppose you write here acidic plus basic indicator. That is indicators that represent both acidic and basic medium. For them, if you see litmus, then in acidic, this is red. If we use red cabbage juice, this is also red. If you use China rose juice, this is also red, right? See, in the basic medium, see, litmus is blue, right, Somona?
Yes,
Rest
sir.
of them are green. See, blue and green are nearby colors, like blue and green are nearby colors, right? Blue and green, they are nearby colors. Is that clear? So, the last two are green, this is blue. So, basic is nearby blue for both indicators, which are both acidic and basic. Now, for indicators which indicate only basic indicators, the case is just opposite. You write a turmeric, and what you will see, for turmeric in basic, this is reddish or reddish brown, okay? Reddish brown to deep brown, that is, it's in the zone of red, right? Reddish brown to deep brown, that means it is in the zone of red. This is reddish brown to deep brown, that is in the zone of red. This is for turmeric, you saw that? Now, if you see phenolphthalein, PHENOLP, phenolp. Okay, let me see the spelling of phenolphthalein. THALEIN, PHENOLP, THALEIN. Phenolphthalein. See, phenolphthalein is also red or pink. So it also has a red or pink. So what we get from here is that for only basic indicators, the color will be near the red, and for both indicators in acidic medium, the color will be near the red. Is that clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be easier for you to remember. Do you find it easier now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all of you close your eyes. Sharonya and Sromona, close your eyes and answer the question. But before that, turn on your mic. Before that, turn on your mic and close your eyes. Have you closed your eyes? Have you closed
Yes,
your eyes?
sir.
Okay. Okay, close your eyes. I'm asking you. Sromona, I can't see your eyes. Close them. Yes. Put the camera. Yes, yes. Now I can see you. Okay. Now tell me, Sharonya, I can see. Now tell me, for indicators which are acidic and basic, close your eyes, Sromona. For indicators which are acidic and basic, tell me, what are the indicators available which are acidic and basic both?
Red cabbage juice,
Okay.
China rose juice and
Turmeric.
litmus.
Okay.
phenolphthalein,
Now, no.
litmus.
Phenolphthalein is a basic only indicator. It is not a acidic and basic both indicator. It's not a both indicator. Okay. Okay. So we are having China rose juice, litmus, and red cabbage juice. Okay. All of you close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Only open when I'll tell you. Okay. Now, for both acidic and basic indicators, if I want to indicate acidic, what will be their color? Somona, close your eyes. If I indicate acidic, what will be their color?
Red.
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 Yes. Sharonya, in basic, what will be the color near about? Which color?
Green.
Green and blue. Okay. So litmus will be
Blue.
blue,
Blue.
and the juices will be
Green.
very good. Okay.
Eh,
For
sorry, green.
green. Okay. For only basic indicators, close your eyes. For only basic indicators, if I want to indicate the base, what will be the colors near to?
Reddish means red.
Red. That will be near to red. It will be either red or pink. in case of phenolphthalein, or it will be red or brown or deep brown in case of turmeric. Okay, and can you tell me one thing, that for the neutral cases or acidic cases in the basic only indicators like turmeric and phenolphthalein, what will be the color?
Reddish brown.
No, 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 no.
Turmeric juice will
Yeah.
be yellow.
Turmeric juice will be yellow. Very good, Somona. And phenolphthalein?
Phenolphthalein is colorless.
Very good. Very good. A big clap for Somona. Nice done. Nicely done. Okay, you can open your eyes now. So will you forget it again?
No, sir.
Okay. Will Sharon forget it again?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we have done this one. Okay. Now you need to wrote these things. Okay. What does wrote mean? Wrote means mukhastha kora. So you need to wrote these things. Bathroom acid, that is acid we use in bathroom, it's a hydrochloride acid. Vitamin C tablet, lemon juice, orange juice, tomato juice, vinegar, yogurt, fizzy drink, all of them are acidic. Milk of magnesia, we have it in Gelusil, is antacid. Toothpaste, antacid, basic. Soap solution, have you tasted soap? Have you ever tasted soap? Today, while doing shampoo or while giving soap on your body, applying soap on your body, taste a bit of soap. You will find it thick. Have you ever tasted your own blood? Have you ever cut your hand and put that in your mouth?
When it comes from lips, I have tasted, but not tasted.
Okay, so you can taste it. Today while bathing, you can taste a little bit of soap. You will find that it will feel thick. It will feel thick, okay? It will feel thick on your tongue. It's very nice, okay? I love that thick feeling. So you can taste that. I don't tell you that it will taste like tandoor chicken, but yeah, it will have a different kind of feeling. You can have that. Okay. Now, soap solution of washing soda, slake lime, whitewash. Okay. Acids and their behavior. Okay, we have some important acids. Okay. See, lemon or orange, these are nimbus. What does nimbus contain? Lemons, they contain citric acid. Okay, lemons contain citric acid. Tomato, oxalic acid. Vinegar, acetic acid. You need to mug it up. Okay, you need to rote learn it. It's very important. It comes in exams. Okay. Similarly, yogurt. What does yogurt contain? Lactic acid. What does fizzy drinks contain? Carbonic acid. Okay, these are important. Now, some acids used in industries, these are powerful acids. Okay, the acids those we did just now are very weak acids. Nothing happens with that. You will feel a little sour taste. It will feel nice also, but these acids, the hydrochloric acid HCl, the sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, the nitric acid, that is HNO3. Now these are mineral acids. Okay, and these are very strong. These are very strong. Okay, very strong. For using this kind of acids, you need to be very careful, because a simple mistake can keep you in a lot of harm. Okay, you have to be very careful while using this kind of acids. Now, they are known as mineral acids. They are of biological as well as industrial importance. Okay, what is acid burn? Have you seen acid burn? Have you seen acid burn? Okay, Somona, does the pen
yes.
taste better than tandoor chicken?
Sir, tell again.
Does the pen which you are putting in your mouth, does it taste better than tandoor chicken?
No, sir.
Then why are you trying to taste it? I think it is tasteless.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Sharon, do you know what is acid burn?
স্যার সেটা বলতে পারবো না, হোয়াট ইজ অ্যাসিড বার্ন?
What is acid burn? Somona, do you know what is acid burn?
না স্যার, আমি মুভিতে তো দেখেছি কিন্তু সামনাসামনি দেখিনি।
Okay, whenever you are talking to me, you need to talk in English, okay? Okay. Now, what is acid burn? Suppose you drop a bit of acid on your hand, okay? What will happen? Your hand will burn. Now, that burn is different from the hot water burn. These burns are irreparable. You cannot adjust this kind of burns. It's very bad. Your tissues will die instantly. They will burn out. They will burn out like plastic. They will burn out instantly. And those burns are very dangerous. Okay, let me show you how acid burns look like. If you feel very disturbing, you can close your eyes, and if you want to see, you can see. Okay, acid burns. Do you see this one? Do you see
Yes,
this
sir.
one? Yes. These are acid burns. You saw that?
Yes.
That's very pathetic to see with the ears, right?
হ্যাঁ
You are smiling.
মানে খুব বিয়ে লাগছে মানে খুব কি বলবো কষ্ট হচ্ছে
Okay. Okay. So our class is over now, and just wait for some time.